Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are trying to change your TikTok account from private to public, enable direct messages, or allow video downloads, but the app blocks you with a message saying "Settings restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy," this is directly tied to your account's registered age or active safety filters. I have verified the latest platform guidelines, and I will show you exactly how to lift these restrictions right now. Let's get started. First, we need to check if your account currently has a manual content filter enabled. Open your TikTok app, tap your profile icon in the bottom right, and click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy and scroll down to Content Preferences. If Restricted Mode says On, tap it, select Turn Off, and enter the 4-digit passcode. This will immediately unlock many of your blocked features. Next, if Restricted Mode was already off, but your settings are still grayed out, your account might be linked to a parent or guardian's device. Go back to your main Settings and Privacy menu and look for Family Pairing. If this feature is active, the linked parent account has ultimate administrative control over your privacy options. You will need to access the parent's TikTok account on their device to manually adjust your permissions and lift the lock. Finally, if neither of those filters are active, the restriction is strictly due to your registered age. TikTok automatically locks privacy settings and forces a private account for any user registered under the age of 16. If you are actually older but accidentally entered the wrong birth year when signing up, you must appeal. Go to Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Report a Problem, and submit a support ticket with a photo of your government ID to correct your birthday and permanently unlock your privacy settings. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.